So next step after the standing exercises is practicing to synchronize your breathing with movements. Synchronizing breathing with movement means each inhalation and each exhalation is followed by a specific movement. Which means, for example, when you inhale, you lift the hands. When you exhale, the arms are sinking. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Now what we don't want is that the breathing becomes very digital. So it's not in, out, in, out. That's too fast. You want to have the awareness of all the small steps, of the small changes that are happening inside your body. Meaning when you are inhaling, try to feel how your lung, how your body is slowly growing on the inside. Each step along the way of breathing is what you try to get to become aware of. So that means take your time. Inhale. Yeah, feel the expansion of the lung, feel the expansion of the body. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale one more time. Open the chest, feel the expansion. Exhale. Now the synchronization of the breathing and the movement. It must not only be with this vertical movement. The idea is also you can inhale like this and exhale to the front. You can inhale back and exhale to the front. Inhale back and exhale to the front. So there are many ways how you can use the synchronization of movement and breathing just to get a feeling for it. Just to get a feeling for your breathing synchronized with the movements.